To get set up on your Kadence 14-day free trial, we wanted to show you how easy and straightforward it is to set up a building and get started. When you arrive at the welcome screen, the first thing you should do is create a new building. Click on Create a Building and type in the name of your building. Then, choose your building's location and address from the dropdown. Next, add the days of the week and the times you'd like this office to be open. If your office is open at the same time every day, just use the copy symbol to speed things up. Allow parking if you need, and give your parking lot a name before selecting how many spaces you want to provide from the different types below. After that, go down to Guest Instructions to let any visitors you bring on site know what to do when they get to your office. When you're done, click Next to add a floor. Give your floor a name and choose either an open office layout or a cubicles layout from the presets below. And if you decide on being a customer during or after your free trial, we'll design a fully custom interactive office floor map for your spaces. From here, you can see some desks have already been created in the example layout, as well as the amenities that come with the desk. Scroll the desks to see the different neighborhoods which are designed to help you make particular spaces in the office bookable for specific teams, all of which can be amendable if you wish to change anything. From here, you and your teams can start to create bookings and see each other's schedules, allowing you to see who's in the office that day. If you'd like to learn more about creating bookings, inviting guests on site, or finding where your colleagues are working so you can book a space nearby, check out the links in the description below to see how it works on both the Kadence mobile and web app.